Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. Today we are at Wilderness Lodge, and I have a room tour for you of room 5106, which is a one-bedroom studio in the Copper Creek section of the DVC building. So let's see inside. Okay, so when you walk into our room, you are greeted by the full-size kitchen. I do just want to clarify that this is the last morning of our stay that we're filming this. So we have been here already, and you can see that some of the things in the room are used, but we got in at midnight when we checked in, so I was not going to film a room tour then. The first thing in the Copper Creek studio is the washer dryer unit, which was so handy. We actually did use that on this trip, and they're quite a good size, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. Right next to you when you walk in is your full-size fridge freezer unit, so there is plenty of space in both of them if you do want to cook and if you want to store food on your trip. You've got plenty of space to do that just like you would at home. Then you've got a storage closet. This closet houses the extra blanket and pillows for the fold-out couch, which you can see we've just left there. You've also got a safe, an iron, and an ironing board, as well as a laundry basket if you are doing laundry in that washer dryer unit, and some hangers. Then you turn around to the full-size kitchen here. This has been really handy for us while we've been here. You've got a coffee pot, again, not a Keurig. The DVC rooms have the drip coffee pots, the filter coffees, and we've got some 50th anniversary Joffrey's coffee this time, which is handy. I'll actually be taking that when we go. And you've got utensils, and then you've got extra kitchen tools as well. So you've got tongs, spatulas, stirring spoons, a big bread knife, a cheese grater, and then there's a can opener and wine opener as well. In this upper cabinet, you've got some Pyrex bowls, a strainer, a measuring cup, and some glass casserole dishes if you do want to cook. And then that drawer down there just has a bin. So you've got your oven, your microwave, and then your sink. They do provide washing up liquid or dish soap depending on where you're from, and a sponge if you want to do that. And then you've got a dish rack down here if you actually are going to be doing heavy dishes at any point during your trip. On top, we've got plenty of plates and bowls of various sizes, as well as mugs, and you even have like a little sauce or milk jar depending, and another jar back here. So really plenty of stuff if you are cooking a big meal or if you're serving friends while you're here. And then over to the side, we just have our glassware. So you've got various size glass cups, and then you have wine glasses on top. You do have a dishwasher unit down here, but we've not taken advantage of that this trip. And there are 2 plug sockets just on the wall there. Then looking into the living room space of this one-bedroom unit, you've got a full-size table here. And again, there's plug sockets just at the end of the wall, 2 USBs and 2 outlets, with some really nice artwork up here. I love the Copper Creek artwork so much. And then turning around, you've got your fold-out queen bed. I slept there. It was actually really comfortable. It felt quite hard when we took it out, but it was comfortable over the course of the night. You've got your table that just rolls away. It is on wheels, an extra chair, and then some drawer space and a bin here. You've got the thermostat, and then again, 2 outlets and 2 USBs. Love that resort TV on. And then over here, you've got just a little vanity, which has been really handy for us. You've got a stool there, and then lots more outlets. So 2 on this side here with 2 USB plugs, and 2 on this side by the lamp. And then I'll just show you our view, because we do have quite a big balcony. We are not on the pool facing side of the building, so it's not anything super special, but it has been nice. You can see Boulder Ridge over there, and then since it's a one-bedroom, we have the long balcony, so you've got 4 chairs and 2 tables there to take advantage of if you want to hang out outside. Moving back in, I'll take you all, I'll just show you this too. There's some storage down below the bench. So if you have extra stuff that you need to store, that's really great. And I'll just take you all into the other side of the one bedroom. So there's lots of corners here. It's a very open plan, but it is kind of like a maze. You've got this really handy storage unit, shoe rack, kind of coat rack area, which was really good for us. And then you come into your bathroom. Hello again. So you've got some drawers in the bathroom. You only have one sink, so it's not a Jack and Jill this time, but these do open, and you've got your hair dryer in there as well, and then underneath just some free space and some extra toilet paper. I do wish there was a Jack and Jill style sink here, but not the end of the world. You've got your toilet, your racks, towel racks, and there's loads of them kind of all over this bathroom, which is nice. And then the shower space is great. You've got a rainfall shower, which I love. And then you've just got this big shower unit and a little place if you're like shaving your legs or something to sit or to prop up your leg. And then you do turn around into one of the best parts of this unit that we did not have a chance to take advantage of this time, but this big old bathtub, and this artwork is amazing. Right next to it, hello, you have another sink, which is great if you have someone in the shower going to the bathroom while someone else needs to get ready. And then underneath that sink, you just have some more storage space as well. We've just gone ahead and put all our towels in the bathtub so they know which ones we've used that they need to get rid of. And then you come into the bathroom, or to the second bedroom here, just the bedroom. This does connect out by the coat rack as well, so you can get in through two different doors, but this is the main bedroom in the one bedroom unit. So you have lots of storage space in these drawers here, another big TV, and then you've got this massive king bed, which is so nice. Love that. You've got the same artwork for the bathtub on the other side. And then again, you've got two plug sockets and two USB cords, or USB plugs. And then you've got some storage space down here and your Bible if you need that. You've also got a big wardrobe unit. So opening this, you've got some space to hang stuff. You've also got some space to lay folded clothes as well. And then you do have a drawer just down at the bottom that you can add extra bits into. This balcony is the same one that I just showed you before that connects over to the living room space. And on this side of the table, you have, again, a switch for the lamps for the room lighting, two outlets and two USB cords, and again, that same amount of space. So if you have enjoyed this room tour, if you are headed to Copper Creek at any point, I hope you enjoy it. It's a great place to stay. We really love this resort, and we love the artwork, we love the feel here. So we're sad to be leaving, but we are. So if you have watched this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with another room tour soon.